Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. If you've ever wondered how to turn your recommendations into profits, you're in the right place. Watch it until the end so you don't miss any step on the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Choosing your niche. To succeed in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to select a niche you're genuinely passionate about. This ensures that you can provide valuable and authentic recommendations to your audience. Research different niches, analyze their market potential, and find the perfect balance between your passion and profitability. Don't rush this step. Take your time to find a niche that aligns with your interests and has a target audience willing to spend money on related products or services. Step 2. Researching and selecting affiliate programs. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to find the right affiliate programs to partner with. Look for programs that offer relevant products, attractive commission rates, and reliable tracking and reporting systems. Take advantage of affiliate program directories, online marketplaces, and individual company websites to find suitable programs. Don't be afraid to reach out to the program managers if you have any questions or need further clarification. Step 3. Building an engaging platform. To effectively promote affiliate products, you need a platform that captivates your audience. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or social media presence, focus on delivering valuable content that establishes you as an expert in your niche. Consistency is key. Regularly publish high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Engage with your followers, respond to their comments, and foster a sense of community. Step 4. Creating compelling content. Now, let's talk about the secret sauce content creation. Your recommendations should be genuine, informative, and persuasive. Share your personal experiences with the products or services you're promoting, and highlight the benefits they provide. Incorporate different formats, such as product reviews, comparison articles, tutorials, or even engaging videos that showcase how the products can improve your audience's lives. Step 5. Effective promotion and marketing. It's time to spread the word and drive traffic to your platform. Leverage various marketing channels, such as social media, email marketing, SEO, paid advertising, and collaborations with other influencers or content creators in your niche. Understand your audience and tailor your promotional efforts accordingly. Experiment with different strategies, track your results, and optimize your campaigns to maximize your reach and conversions. Step 6. Building trust and credibility. Trust is the currency of affiliate marketing. Focus on building a solid reputation by consistently delivering value, being transparent about your affiliations, and only promoting products or services you genuinely believe in. Engage with your audience, answer their questions, and address their concerns. By providing honest and helpful recommendations, you'll foster trust and encourage your audience to take action based on your suggestions. And that's a wrap. Remember, affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. But with the right strategies and a passion for your niche, you can turn your recommendations into profits. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Also, let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep hustling and turning your passion into profit. Take care.